Okay, so first of all, I am using reducing balance depreciation. A constant percentage is applied to the remaining value each year, so assets depreciate faster at the beginning of their life. In this example, the asset originally cost £10,000 and it was purchased in the year 2018 and has a depreciation rate of 15% per year. And I want to calculate the current value. I'll start by typing 2018 and then holding down Control and clicking and dragging until we get to 2025. Then I'll copy the original value, as that is what it cost in 2018. To work out the value in 2019, I need to take the original value and reduce it by 15%. And I'll do that by taking the value and multiplying it by 1 minus the depreciation rate divided by 100. The dividing by 100 part turns it into a percentage, and then 1 minus 0.15 gets us 0.85, and this gets us the value in 2019. I then need to turn this part into an absolute cell reference, and I can then click and drag the formula down. And in each row, we are taking the value in the previous year and reducing it by 15%. And in this way, we can get the value in the current year, 2025, which is £3,206. We can also calculate this in just one cell using this formula here. So we'll take the original value and multiply it by 1 minus the depreciation rate divided by 100, and then we'll raise this to the power of the number of years. And in this example, that is 7 years. And we get the same value here as we have here. We can make this more dynamic. So here we can have the current year, 2025, minus the year that it was purchased. And of course, this again gets us the number 7, so we get the same result. We can also make the current year dynamic using the today function, which gets us today's date. So in this formula, I'll replace this part here with the today function. Then to get just the year part of this date, we need to put it inside the year function. And this will get us the number 2025 again. Another way of writing this is to use the power function in Excel. In this case, we need to replace the bit in the middle with a comma. So now we have the number 0.85 and the power that we are raising it to, which is the number 7, and we still get the same result. There's also another way of calculating this in Excel, which is using a formula which includes the VDB function, and this stands for variable declining balance. I think that this method is unnecessarily complicated, but it will get you the same number. Okay, so in this video, I have shown you how to calculate the current value using the original value and the depreciation rate. And that is everything.